Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. Yes, it's today war day number 1057. 1057 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back in today's newspaper of Wednesday, January the 22nd, 2025. We have two regular puzzles left. I've already done one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so the binary, and the 4-star Sudoku are left, yes. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles. This one will be number 9952. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits. Same as previous Sudoku. Well, this should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated by the publisher for 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we have 24 printed digits. This one is 2 digits more. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can pick. How about the 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 4 missing numbers now in this third row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in the third row should be there. So these 3 missing numbers in this third row are the numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in the middle column. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 3. Alright. Need a 9 here. Let me see, 4 or 5 missing numbers in this big square. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the last row, so no 2 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. The only place left for 3 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 2 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big row are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in this column. No 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8, 8. Okay, and now 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 6 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, no, only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in the first row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then, 5. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5, okay. 4, need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between. Only place level 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, okay. Then, let me see. 1, 4, 7. I need a 6 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6. 2 missing numbers now. No, not 2 missing numbers. 1, 4, and 7. 4. Well, 1 in the third row. 1 in one of these 3 boxes in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and the 9. Here also 8 and the 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. 8 and 9. 3 missing numbers. The other missing number, 8 and a 9, should be the one that the 2 is missing. 2, 8, and a 9. 2, 8, and 9, 2, 8, and 9, 2, 8, and 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 8 and 9 in this box. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. So we have a 2 here. Okay. 1 and 4. The 4 here. These 3 missing numbers in this row are numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this column. No 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for, I believe, the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. Yes, correct. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Need a 6 here. Then 1, need a 7, need a 7 here, 1 7, and I need a 8 here, need 8 here or there. Well, how about 1 and 4. Come on. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a pair in this big square. 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1. Wait, the 1 in one of those 2 boxes and the 7. We have 1 and a 7 in this last column, so the 1 and 7 in this box. So the 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column, the only place left, the 4 should be here. Need a 2, and I need a 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the middle row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. 2 and 6. So 1 digit left should be the 1 here. Alright. 1 box left now in this row for the mad 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. So in the last row, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 7. 2, 6, I need a 9 here. Yep. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left here, 2 and a 6, that means here also 2 and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and the 7, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in the 7, we have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, 4, 7, and look, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left the 1 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. A little bit slower than the previous Sudoku, but we solve it again, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no, 2 stars, no, 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars and faster than 30 minutes. So well, please with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, regular puzzle, a binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.